hungry? Are we going to take back our country? If you are ready to take back your country, I want you to shout 3 words at His Excellency Mr. Peterobi. Thank you very much. The members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, appeal of judgment enough for Papa, Arabambi, and others. It is no longer news that on the 5th of March 2024, exactly a year that Apapa and Co. attempted to hijack our party leadership, the appeal court sitting in Abuja has confirmed the legitimacy of the Abure-led Labour Party, thereby putting to an end seasons of misinformation by some of our former members. Despite their fruitless ventures, Arabambi and others have been going around speaking all manner of negative things against our party, starting from his baseless allegation on our leader, Peterobi, to fabricated allegations and threats to our national chairman, juliusabure, and other party leaders. It is on this note that my office deemed it necessary to advise Abayomi Arabambi, Oyelade Akimbade, and Asra Mirabu to do the path of honor for once and stop inciting the public. I also advise them to learn a thread and keep themselves very busy. It has also been disturbing how someone like Arabambi, who ordinarily ought to be behind bars, can be calling for the arrest of our national leader, Peterobi, on the account of the purported MP $15 million and Obidati presidential campaign for, which Peterobi obviously almost funded by himself. This must stop. Also, it is highly pathetic how some media houses keep giving these dissidents their platform to misinform the public on the premise that no one can tell them what to do. However, if we want to build an egalitarian society, every sector must be a check on another sector. The media checks the politicians, checks the civil servants, and the private sector, while the politicians also in turn also checks the media. It is also unacceptable how the police PRO in Benin City spoke as a politician when he referred to Barrister juliusabure as a factional Labour Party chairman, meaning that he was acting out a political script handed out to him. I therefore want to use this platform to warn Abayomi Arabambi and all their agents of destruction for the final time to stop forthwith the baseless call for the arrest of our national leader, Mr. Peterobi. I am also calling on the police and other security agencies to stop further molestation of our national chairman, Barrister juliusabure, as well as all the party leaders. Credible opposition is sine qua non for effective governance. Hence, the ruling party should stop manipulating the Labour Party in a bid to silence our leaders. The ruling party should concentrate on delivering democratic dividends to citizens of Nigeria who are hungry and angry. Yes. We also urge all the law enforcement agencies to realize that a better Nigeria, which our party is pursuing, will also benefit them and their children. And therefore, they should not be ready tools in the hands of those who have destroyed the foundation led by our heroes past. Let me also use this opportunity to call on all the obedient worldwide to avoid every form of internal bickering and be united in the avowed pursuit of a better Nigeria, which is the ultimate goal of our struggle. I urge you all to reaffirm your commitment towards taking back our country, Nigeria, no matter the pressure, by supporting the Labour Party leadership. Finally, this is no time to apportion blames or to change key players in a winning team. Let's rally around the party leadership. Let's rally around Barrister juliusabure. so that the party will be more stable and effective in preparation to take over the country come 2027. God bless all of you. Thanks. Thank you very much. What a good question. Let me start with the Edo election. It's obvious and clear that Labour Party had the best primary in Edo State that have produced Barrister Olumide Abata as our Labour Party governor. I think that answers that question. And as a matter of fact, the Labour Party is set to win Edo State. Thank you. And secondly, we rested to what is happening in National Assembly. I think as a national leader, personally, as a person, I congratulate Senator Ningi for speaking out. Because we can't continue like this in Nigeria. Someday, sometime, people need to speak out. And he's speaking out, personally, me, and on behalf of Nigerian youths. We applaud him, we congratulate him, we thank him, and we urge more senators and more House of Rep members to speak out. Because if we are talking about taking back Nigeria, we shouldn't be talking about padding the budget. We shouldn't be talking about doctoring the budget. Why are we doctoring the budget when our intention is to save the citizens of Nigeria, is to serve the citizens of Nigeria and to deliver good dividends to them? So why are we padding budget? I think the budget padding, as a matter of fact, is for personal enrichment, which is not the reason why we are here today. But I want to say on behalf of the entire Nigerian youths, which I represent, my generation, we celebrate Senator Ningi. And I can assure you that even members of Labour Party are happy with that kind of presentation he made. And you know, in the National Assembly, it's not about the person that spoke out. There are a lot of people that supported him, but he's the one that the floor was given before he spoke, and he requested for that. So he was given the floor to speak, but I can assure you that many senators, including Labour Party senators, are solidly behind him because he is trying to unravel the ills of National Assembly. Was it not on national TV that the president of the Senate told Nigerian senators that he's going to be sending tokens into their account? And within 1 minute, he withdrew it and said he's going to be sending prayer. So there are issues in National Assembly, which I'm using this opportunity to ask National Assembly to remember that it is us, Nigerian citizens, that voted them. And we voted them to represent us. Let them represent us well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
I'm happy that this meeting is happening. I'm happy that you all are here to show your solidarity to Labour Party and the leadership of Labour Party, and also to affirm, and like the youth will always say, to reaffirm that Labour is the party. It is the party for 2027. It is the party that will take over the helm of leadership in Nigeria.
Inshallah.
If we could have achieved what we achieved in 9 months, from May 2022 to February 2023, if we could do what we did, becoming the third in Nigeria, now that we have years to plan properly, you know that there is no beating us.
No beating us.
You know that there is no beating us. So those that are there, we are giving them a warning. Begin to pack, we are coming to take over.
Of the FCT Labour Party, the ward chairman, the area council chairman, and the state schools who are presently here. We learned about this press conference and made it public for all of us to be here this afternoon. We are coming here to say enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough of trying to stabilize the National Working Committee of Labour Party. Yes. Enough to tag the national chairman who is a destined national chairman, one name or the other. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. And on behalf of the FCT,
We're here.
and in my position as the chairman of all chairmen in North Central, where we have met 3 times and said, on Abure, we must stand. On Abure,
We must stand.
not only Abure, and on the National Working Committee of Labour Party, because you can never change a winning team.
Yes.
A team that has gone out and brought gold, and we are going for another tournament. We are looking for outside. What do we expect to bring? They have brought on this table success. They have brought on this table victory. Therefore, on behalf of the 7 state chairmen of the Labour Party in North Central, we are passing vote of confidence.
Yes, sir.
On the National Working Committee of our Labour Party.
Yes, sir.
Let us stand up and say 3 times.
Yes.
Vote of confidence. Vote of confidence. Vote of confidence. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. And we are using this opportunity to tell our leaders that the election will be coming on 20th of February. And we are preparing for our primaries. And we are geared up. And on the blessing and understanding of our prayer and the National Working Committee,
Yes,
and our national leader, His Excellency peterobi,
Yes, sir.
we are going to win 6 over 6 of the area council. Hip, 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 hip. Hip, 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 hip. Thank you, and God bless all of us.